guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari and we are back with another product review. Well, this time we're back with another product series. In this series, we are going to be reviewing the new Glamlite Hersheys Kisses collaboration collection. So we're doing a series of videos, meaning we're going to do each palette gets its own video. They all get their own time to shine. We're not going to mix and match. We're going to do one at a time. There are 5 palettes, but we're only going to be doing a review on 3 of them because 2 of them I will be giving away to you guys. So make sure that you are subscribed with your bell notifications on. We will do the first 3 palettes as product reviews, and on that 4th video I will be telling you which ones we are giving away. It'll literally just be whatever is left. And there's a whole bunch of things also in the giveaway. Things like brushes, lashes, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff in there, but I will tell you everything that's in the giveaway in part 4 of our Hersheys Kisses and Glamlite collaboration palette series. That is such a mouthful, like a mouthful. Let me show you the palettes that we have to work with. So this is one of them. I ordered, like, they came with like a big box that looked like a Hershey's Kiss, and I really wanted that one, but it was sold out whenever I went to go get it. So we just got the whole collection, but without the box. So we have this one. I do believe that this one is like a dark neutral palette. We have one that's all purple. So we have the blue one, the cookies and cream. This one is a all blue eyeshadow palette. And then we have the milk chocolate with almonds. This one is like a golden neutral palette. And then last but not least, we have a all pink palette. So this is the Lava Cake Hersheys Kisses. These are all 5 of the palettes. In addition to the palettes, they did come out with a beauty blender in the size of a, I mean, it looks just like a Hershey's Kiss. It's a makeup sponge. This will be going in your giveaway. This will be a part of your giveaway. I wanted to order like some of these like singles, but so that I could try it out for you, but they were sold out and I really wanted to gift one of these in the giveaway. So this will be in your giveaway. And then last but not least, we have the lip gloss set. So 2 of these, I won't tell you which ones until the last, but 2 of these will also be in your giveaway. So far, you're gonna get a makeup sponge, 2 lippies, and 2 eyeshadow palettes, and then there's still more to come. So if you're not already, make sure that you're subscribed with your bell notifications on so that you do not miss any of the videos. Each individual video will have a bonus entry within it so that you guys can get entered in. The more times that your names are entered into the giveaway, the more chances you have. I hate to be rambly, but I wanted to make sure that I mentioned the giveaway to you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into one of these palettes. The first palette we're going to be reviewing today is going to be this Hersheys Kisses with almonds. This is the golden palette. I feel like this was appropriate since I'm wearing like brown and gold. It kind of matches. So we're going to start off with this one. Okay, so how cute is this? This is so stinking cute. It's like, it literally looks like a Hersheys Kiss. Now let's figure out how we can open this. Which way do we open? Let's go. Okay, so this is kind of tricky. Like, how do we open you? So it opens this way. Jeez, good to know. Good to know. Okay, so this is the golden palette. I really, off the top, love the way that these shades are looking. It's very neutral, but they do pop. So I'm excited to dive into this one. In the last Glamlite series that we did, the palettes, they were pretty good. I feel like the last one that we did was like the Glamlite Happy Hour, and it was okay, right? It was okay. So we are gonna start off with this shade right here, this orange shade. This is gonna be our transition shade. Unfortunately, they do not have like names or anything. They do have numbers on the mirror, but I'll just point to it so you know what we're talking about. Okay, so we're gonna go into this shade right here. This is a Miss Glam SS57 brush. We're gonna take the shade right here as a transition shade first. So we're gonna pack that into the crease. I did go ahead and prep my eyelids with the Ace Beauty eyeshadow base in the color medium, I think. I will link it in the description box below if you guys wanna try it. It is my current fave. So just to be noted, that's what we're using. And just like I assumed it would, this color is packing pigment. It's very cute. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Giving what it needs to give. Okay, so for a transition shade, very good. I'm not seeing much fallout, which is also a blessing. We love that here. No fallout, very minimal. Love to see it. So let's move right along. Okay, so next we're gonna take this brown shade right here. we're gonna start to build on that crease. I do believe we will be doing a halo eye today for this look. I just feel like whenever you're doing all browns, like a halo eye is appropriate. So we're just going to, this is a BH. This is from the Poison Shot collection. I'm not really sure what number this brush is. It didn't really say much else on there. It just says BH. So it's just a smaller blender. And I'm gonna bring that shade in here to get ready for our crease to get cut. Very, very pretty shade. Very, very pretty. So far, not much fallout. So far, so good. Okay, so that is looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and move on. So now we are going to go into this shade right here. Wait, okay, yeah, this shade right here. Now on camera, it looks black, but it's not. It's like really, it's the most dark chocolate brown that you can get probably. So very close to black, but not quite. So just be noted, it's not black. It's just a really, really dark brown, but it's very, very pretty though. And because the shade is so dark, I want to be very careful with it and make sure that I don't take it up way too high. Still want to be able to blend it. This shit is looking so, it's looking really, really dark, but I can tell that after we cut this crease and like get the halo eye ready, it's gonna be so pretty. I am seeing some fallout. It is like all over. I feel like it is a lot more than I was expecting, but this is a really dark shade, so I feel like it's okay. So let's go ahead and do that on the other side. All right, so that is very, very dark. I love to see it. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease off camera, and then we're gonna move on to the shimmers. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, and don't judge it because I know it looks crazy right now, but now that the crease is cut, we are gonna go ahead and go into these shimmers. So we are gonna go in with this one in the middle and this one on the sides, and we'll probably do this one as an inner corner highlight just because this one is just like too bright to be like, nah, it's ready. It wants to stand on its own. So we're gonna go into this one right here, and this is a Morphe Ff4 brush. This is from the Morphe Nyan collaboration, the Fierce Fairy Tale. Definitely, hands down, good brushes. If you have not seen that video, I'll put the card up here somewhere. That palette and that collection was a bomb. So this gold is very, very pretty. So far, so good on this palette. I have not run into anything that I hate about it yet. So far, so good. So now I'm gonna move on to this shade right here. All I did was flip my brush, and we're gonna go into this one right here, put this one on the edges. Probably should use a different brush for this, but we're in too deep. We've already started. So this shade, I'm kind of glad that we're using it as an extra because I don't really like this one. It's kind of like a doo-doo gold. I don't know how to describe it. I just don't really like the color of it, but fine for what we're doing. So now I'm gonna take that small brush that we used to blend out that dark shade and just kind of bring some of that back, blend out these corners. Not really much other fallout besides this dark shade, which is great. Okay, it's looking pretty cute. So now I'm gonna go into that last shade, the last shade of the group. We're gonna go into, wait, it was this one. We're gonna go into this one right here. This is a BH Cosmetics 132 brush. And we're just gonna pack this in the inner corner. A little dollop. Wow, so that is looking like really, really good. It's super bright, just like I knew it would be. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some liner and lashes, and then we'll come back and do a lippy and finish the eye look. Okay, so this is how it looks with liner and lashes. The lashes that we use today are from Every Girl's Hair. A few videos back, I told you that Every Girl's Hair, the owner of the company, she sent me a bunch of different lashes to try and to put in the next giveaway. So those will also be entered into this giveaway. Now, the first bonus entry into this giveaway. Well, really just the first entry into the giveaway. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure your bell notifications are on so that you do not miss the next few videos where you will find out, you know, what other things are going to be in the giveaway. And you definitely don't want to miss the giveaway video in itself, where I'll tell you everything that's in it and I will give you a deadline on the giveaway. But first and foremost, make sure that you're subscribed, and in the comment section below, let me know which palette you are just hoping is in the giveaway. Literally, that's it. So like pink, purple, blue, whichever one, the brown, the other brown one. Let me know in the comment section below which palette you're hoping is in there, and that's all. So pretty simple for the giveaway. I hope you guys made it this far in the video where you can follow the instructions, because yeah, you guys are bad about that sometimes. Y'all are bad about following instructions. Moving on, we are going to add some under eye business. Oh my gosh, I closed it again. How do we open it? How did we open you? It's so tricky. I think we opened it this way. Okay. I don't even know why this is here. It doesn't help. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. This is a Glamlite, some sort of Glamlite brush. It's an angled brush. I like to use this one for my underneath eye business because it's like thin. We're gonna go in with a darker shade and go right underneath. Just gonna connect it over here. Do the same on the other side. I was gonna add another shade, but I feel like that's probably enough. So for lip color, we are gonna use one of the Glamlite Hersheys Kisses lip shades. I was like, maybe I should just use the gold because that's what we're using. But no, we're gonna try this one. This is the special dark one out of the 4 that we got. I just feel like this one probably matched my skin tone the best. And with the brown, like I just feel like it's appropriate. So I thought that this was gonna be like an actual gloss, but this is heavily tinted. So this is like actually a lippy. Oh my gosh, I love this. I do think that we made a good choice by using this one because this looks really, really good. This lip shade, I was not expecting all the pigment that it has left. I literally thought that these were lip glosses and that was it. So that is looking very, very cute. So overall, I would have to say that the Glamlite Hersheys Kisses, so far so good. We are just one video in, one palette in, but so far into the series, so far so good. I do really like all of the shades in this palette. I feel like the only shade that gave me issues was the darkest brown, and that's only because it had a little bit of fallout. But other than that, the colors blended well together. The shimmers, they're shimmering. The palette is paletting. I mean, it's doing everything it's supposed to do. So far so good. I'm super excited about this giveaway, you guys. If you missed the giveaway information, please go back, scroll back into the video. I do not want you guys to miss out on this giveaway. So that is all for this video. That's all I have for you guys. Palette was great. I'm super excited about that because I would hate for these palettes to not be good. And I'm like, yeah, these palettes suck, but I got something to give you. So far so good. The next palette we are going to be reviewing is the Cookies and Cream, the blue one. I really, really am excited about using this one. I love an all blue palette, and honestly I don't feel like I have one. So that's why we're doing the all blue, and then we'll move on to a different color in the third video. And remember, 2 of them will be given away, 2 of the lippies and a bunch of other things. So make sure that you go back into the video, see how you can enter yourself into the giveaway. That is all I have for you guys today, and you will see my face in the next one.